Welcome to part 2 of our journey across Florida. In part 1, we traveled from Jacksonville, Florida to Miami to attend the Electrify Expo. Now in part 2, we are attempting to make it to the southernmost point of the continental United States in our Tesla Model Y. Come along and join us as we finish up our charge here at our Hilton stay in Fort Lauderdale Beach as we get ready to take off for Key West. So we had to kind of hang out in the parking lot yesterday, but we did finally manage to secure a spot, so we will be able to leave with a full or almost full charge today. And apparently first thing in the morning is a good time to come steal your spot because there's a whole empty spot this morning as people are leaving. Where's our uncle's boat, ladies? Let's call him up. Now it's time to stop at the southernmost supercharger in the continental United States, and we're going to charge up as much as we can because it is actually a lot further to go down to Key West than we had anticipated.
And we just wrapped up a supercharge here. This is probably the only one we'll need to do at the Keys. There's 2 chargers, one at Marathon and one at Big Pine Key, and Big Pine Key is where we stopped at this Winn-Dixie. Just wrapped up.
While we were at the supercharger, we were fortunate enough to see a key deer and also many of the chickens that are all over the Keys. They are protected in Key West and were believed to be brought by Cuban immigrants. It's pretty. Looks like hey.
decided to make a quick stop here in Marathon. There's 4 superchargers here, just in case we have trouble getting charging at the resort tonight.
We did not stay long since we were not getting a very good charge. This was because we were sharing power, but we did like the location and we managed to see one plane take off while we were here. Fortunately, the resort had several EV chargers and they were not iced, so we were able to plug in and get a good charge overnight. One of the things that has helped us be able to travel so much is having signed up for a Hilton credit card. We use it to accrue points, and we also get a free resort stay by having it, and this is one of the really nice resorts that we have stayed in using our card. That means that we're getting a free stay and a free charge on top of it, which is a pretty cool deal.
You're the wind in my sails, you're the pull of the sea, you're the wish in the well, you're my faithful belief. If the whole wide world was offered to me, still you'd be all I need. You're the first of the year, a warm kiss in the cold, you're the whisper in my ear when I need it the most. If I was cast on an island and could only bring one thing, still you'd be all I need.
And we were able to charge up overnight at the EV parking. They have 6 spots here at the resort, and we're going to leave with just about a full charge.
While heading back from the Keys, we decided to show a feature that Tesla has that everyone might not be aware of. While on full self-driving, the Tesla will actually move over for trucks within its lane as a safety feature, mimicking the behavior of most human drivers. The Port St. Lucie Fort Pierce Service Center has 16 Tesla chargers, 6 level 3 chargers, very clean bathrooms, a large food court, and it's right off the Florida Turnpike. We were really impressed overall with this stop, and we've been through here a few times and had never actually been in here. We highly recommend the Supercharging stop. Here are some of the restaurants that you can see that are available in the food court. And these are the level 3 chargers available from FPL. So we just completed a supercharging stop. We got off at Fort Pierce, and there was a Sunshine Market, basically like a travel stop. After the Port St. Lucie Supercharger, we were supposed to head back to the turnpike briefly before getting off and heading northward. But a truck blocked Zach's view of the exit and he missed the ramp. This resulted in a 41-mile drive westward to the next exit and another 25 miles back eastward on what otherwise would only have been a 20-mile drive north.
And we're going to make a real quick detour here for a quick charge in Titusville. More on that later.